Today we are doing unboxing of Selfie stick tripod. I bought it off Amazon. I believe I paid about $20 for this. So this is a dual purpose. Uh, that's why it's called selfie stick and tripod. So on the back it says it's portable selfie stick tripod, and it does come with a wireless remote. So nice packaging on the outside is gray and yellow. Let's unbox it and let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's put it right here. It comes with a battery, 3-volt lithium battery CR1632 for the remote, the wireless remote, a user manual, how to set it up, how to activate the Bluetooth, how to set up the tripod, how to adjust the angle, and the tripod itself, tripod slash selfie stick. So just like that, you pull it out and there goes the phone. It is adjustable, so you can, with a good spring right there to to hold the phone firmly. It does come with the remote. I believe that's right there. So you can just pull it out. So if I just pull it out like this, but before that, let's look at how to use it as a tripod. So just pull the legs out. You can just set it like that, and it is a tripod. Now back to selfie stick mode. It clicks right back in. You just pull it out just like any other selfie stick and take the remote out. So here is the remote itself. You can hold it while having the selfie stick way out of far from you in the air, and just keep pressing that button to record and stop and pause the recording. So it's a pretty useful thing. My prime purpose of buying this was not to use it as a selfie stick, but as a table mount. I wanted to get something that I can put it on, put my phone right there, and use the tripod legs and put it on the desktop for self-recording for these unboxing videos. But when I noticed that it's a dual purpose, although I do not have any purpose of selfie mode itself, but maybe something that will be useful while traveling. So I hope you like the video.